Good morning. It is Thursday, December 5th, and we're looking at the S&P 500 with today's prediction points. So we'll look back here a little bit over the Globex session just to get an idea of how things have gone. Yesterday, we said that if we broke 11 or 10, we should see 07. We did get down here to 07 quarter. That was the low of that, and then we've made a move up here. We made a little bit of a move up here, came back below it, and now we're hanging out right here. So let's make this quite a bit smaller, and all we're really looking for here is what price has used and not used and all of that. So if we look here, we see price didn't really use this 0275 really. This price was really used at 3100, so not ideal that we would come back here. So if we were to get more selling, then we would see likely this 0275 and could see some decent support there. Below that, we'd certainly need to watch out for this area down here, this 94 area. And I'll post that in the map, of course. And then we really use this price actually a couple of times here, so wouldn't really want to use that again. So this would really be, so below 0275 we would be looking for 94 area, and again I'll post that. It may not be 94 when I get in there and actually look at it. It might be something a little different, so I'll post that, but somewhere in that area. And then 87. Yeah, we didn't really, yeah, so that would be fine. So 87 would be fine there. And then not necessarily looking for support in that 82, given that we had already used that. And that would be a fairly significant break because we don't have anything down here till 26. So that'd be a pretty big break here. So not the first scenario of what we're looking for. And again, if you remember, you'd want to look at yesterday's prediction points. I think we had 66 down here. And then we had like, the other day we gave you something in the mid 50s, like 55, 56, something like that. So you'd certainly want to pay attention to those if this scenario did come into play, which is not the first scenario that we're looking for here, but that is what is there for now. We do have a, let's see, so ideally we would want to trade back up above here and have this hold, this KP, and then this looks like a small gap, but that's actually about 9 points, so that's not really a small gap. So if we could trade back up above here and hold here and get another push up. Otherwise, we could see a pullback into this 11 area again, and I'll clarify that and post it in the map, but we could see a pullback into that area. Below that, we probably see this 02, and then we gave that scenario. But if we could get back up above the KP here and we could hold up there, then of course we have 3130. And you can see we just blew right through this price on this big drop. And we've been saying, since we broke here, we've been saying this bigger bounce would be likely. So what's going to determine whether or not this is just a bounce? This is the all-time high right here. So if we were to trade up to here or even into here, you can see we have these three prices. We have 54.75, 61, and 66.5. And then I didn't put the next prices up there because I didn't think that would be relevant for today. But if we were to trade up above this area, we would expect a move up to here, and then we'd see from here what was next. So big enough gap from here to get plenty of profit, about 14 points. So really sort of above each of these, this is 29, there's 38.75. So above here, if we can get back up above here, that should get us to here. If we can get up above here, that should get us to here. And so we can just really kind of trade. These are such a big gap. We can trade from each one of these. And then above here, I mean, it's only a couple of points. So, but above here, for sure, above here, we're looking back up into this area. So that's what we have here for today. We'll get this posted, and then we'll also have the review and map where we'll go through that in depth as well. So we'll see you in map in a few minutes.